Okay, so, you might be wondering what I'm doing with two speakers and, home theater sub. Well, the thing is, inside of these speakers, we've got the same size speaker. These Aiwa, what model number are these? SXNA902. We're just gonna see what happens when we put the Panasonic subwoofer right here inside of the Aiwa speaker box. Okay, so luckily, Aiwa made these speakers fairly easy to service. I could just take this front part off with my hands, and just so you know, that looks pretty awesome. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test the sound of both of these to see just how it sounds with one woofer instead of the other in it. That has some pretty decent bass in the other speaker. I don't know why that sounds so different, but it does. The bass note sounds a little bit higher, which is really weird because the box is the same. So, let's just give this a quick test and see what we can do with the Panasonic subwoofer inside instead of the Aiwa. Okay, right now I got the all Aiwa speaker. I'm gonna test it with a homemade beat that I created. Okay, now here's the one with the different Panasonic woofer in it. More bass. Less of a clear treble sound, though. Okay, now I'm gonna test both of them turned up. That would be that one. Okay, now so we got the Panasonic one. Okay, so even with the non-presence of vocals, the punch is awesome on that one. So, pretty much, that's what happens when you stick a woofer that's totally not meant for a speaker inside of a speaker, and it's actually a very, very surprisingly good result. Even with the differences between the two speakers, little warning, if you're using these Panasonic woofers, they are not magnetically shielded, so don't use them by your TV, but pretty much, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and see you next time.